All right, so let's see. Concept assessment 2.02. I can solve linear equations in one variable. So I've already gone through and I've drawn my equality line through the equal sign for all of these problems because I want to remember that whatever I do to one side, I want to do the same thing to the other side to maintain balance. So this first one here, we're trying to get 3x by itself on one side. So I need to get rid of this -4. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. There's a 0 pair, -4 plus 4. I cross those out. So I have 3x equals 18. So 3 times what is 18? It's 6. If you don't know, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 3 because 3 divided by 3 is 1x. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And you can always check your answer by plugging it back in. 3 times 6 minus 4 is indeed 14. All right, next problem, we're trying to get this x by itself. So I need to get rid of this plus 2, so we're going to subtract 2, both sides. Or you can add a -2 to both sides if you want to think of it that way. +2, -2, it's a 0 pair. 10 minus 2. So I still have x divided by 4. I'm going to bet half of the class would look at this and say, oh, it's 2. Well, 2/4 is not equal to 8. This is x divided by 4 is 8. So some number divided by 4 is 8. And that's 32. If you don't know that, we're going to go ahead and multiply by 4 over 1. So I need to do the same thing to this side. Right? Because 4x over, I'll write the whole thing out, 4x over 4 is equal to 32. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this is just x equals 32. Okay. Right up here, we could cross cancel and just turn that into straight up x. Right? X equals 32. All right, number 3, a little trickier because we have variables on both sides. So we want to get the variable on one side. Notice here we had the variable on the left. Here we had the variable on the left. It could be on the left or the right, it doesn't matter. I don't like working with negative numbers. So with this problem, I have 3x, +3x, and +5x. So I'm going to remove 3x's from this side. So if I do that to that side, I'll do it to the other side. Remove 3x's from both sides. Right? 0 pair, 3x minus 3x, they went away. 5x minus 3x. There's 3 0 pairs, so I'm left with just 2x. Over here we've got 5. And over here I still have the -7. Okay. All right, we're trying to get x by itself, remember. So I need to get rid of this 7. So we add 7 to both sides. -7, +7, 0 pair. Here we have 2x. Over here, 5 plus 7 is 12. What number times 2 equals 12? That's 6. If you don't see that right away, divide by 2. Right? 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1x. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop there, create another video for 4 through 8.